as you can see, the manual or instruction is in Japanese. But right here, it's made in China. I haven't seen any carton on a G35 before. Not yet.
See it on
Mostly Lexus, but
Lexus and my TL.
ooh, we'll find out. Now we're gonna open this up. So in each box it comes in a set. Yeah, so I didn't know that there's actually two comes in a box. Almost bought 4 boxes, which would have been like $600. Alright, so there's going to be 2 rails to install for each window. So the lightest one is going to be in the bottom, and then there's going to be one that's metal that's going to be on top. Here's a difference. This one's more heavier. So it does come with 3M tape, but the 3M tape is kind of weak. So anyway, it's gonna be sticking out like this. So you want to put this as close as to the wall as possible. You don't want no gap. You see right here. So you want to hit the metal part, not the plastic, but I think it's metal or whatever it is. This part. So you want to hit this right here. As you can see, it's a one go because you're gonna be bending this. Man. Voila. Pretty much there's 13 holes or 13 balls. You're gonna connect it into that little hole up there as well.
Oh shit. You gotta plug that in?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, and basically, yeah. It's 3M tape for the rail.
And you stick this in here?
Yep. Then you start it again from up here. So this is what I do right here. You want to push this right here. All the way back here. Touching the end of the rail. Then you put this little button right here. So that way you get a look right here. So there's no gap. It's looking good already.
You gotta do the other side too.
Yeah. But yeah, man, I haven't seen any G35 with these curtains yet. And then I got another, I bought a window pillar. It's like leather.
I'm trying to get this from Wear Tech. Slide in.
Ooh. Oh man, I gotta peel this off. I attempt to wrap it on the other side. And I don't know if you can see it, but I kind of cut it with a knife, my paint. As you can see, this is the final result. If I open it up, it's all right. Yeah, new sticker, man, but it's fucking faded. I don't know, the way they print it out is faded, man.
Fight for your dream.
You know this girl, who she is, right?
Nah.
Nah, you don't watch anime?
I do.
Right here, man. Attack on here. You can keep it, man. It's faded. It's Mikasa, man. I'm rocking this shirt right now. Man, how could you mess up your stuff, dude?
No, I try to clean it.
You trying to clean this so you spray
it
with...
It was covered in black here, so I took that shit out. But I tried to use screw gun, that shit didn't come out, so this worker checker give me this like a paint thinner. That shit come off, so like
That guy passy dipped that or something?
No, I tried to use screw gun, that shit didn't come out.
Man, mess up his paint. Man, boy. Bought some eBay parts right there, man. Got lips.
Got Philip head.
Scissors.
Philip head.
Philip head. Somewhere in there in the garage. Some guy opened up your package.
They inspect it. And I guess fucking all the screws fell out and shit.
Where's it came from?
China.
China.
Yeah.
Alibaba? I feel like if you hit a bump, that's it. He's gonna lose it.
But it's pretty high though, no?
Crazy. I almost lost my diffuser in the freeway. if we didn't zip tie it, it would have been gone.
Hardest part.
Damn, look at this guy's face, for real.
Bro. We probably should put the stickers on top of this one, easier.
It looks nice, man.
Cool.
Even nah, it's way off. If you look at this part, it's way off.
So I gotta fix it.
On the right side, it's like way on the edge.
Yeah, I try to fucking move it, but it's gonna hit this thing right here.
What we doing next?
Oh man. Finally got his little eBay lips installed.
Drop it down.
You gotta show this too.
You gotta show this too, you know what I mean? Cushion.
What is that?
Oh yeah, you're right. Drop it down, look better.
Oh yeah. Yeah, looks
That
kind of
shit
low.
looks sick.
And you say you're gonna drop it too, man? On coilovers? Oh no, man. You might maybe airbags.
From bags.
Okay,
VIP.
I
I
see.
mean, what I would do is get the wheels first. It may just look good like this. Get the wheels, get the side splitter, carbon fiber, see how it looks. See how it drives, because it's fake. Imagine you drop it lower.
Yeah, you see my bumper? Look at that, man. A lot of bump.
Yeah,
This is my.
the stock height.
This is the first time I scrape on a concrete rear.
Just say, get the side splitter, and then get the little piece back here. I don't know how they put it over. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah. Well, mine's different. Mine.
The curtain is pretty nice, but it's kind of blocking the visibility.
Man, got this thing too.
The shirt on.